Child, do I need to do a lint check? Let me do a lint check. I'm gonna do a lint check. Don't judge my overalls, girl. Worry about your own overalls, and don't worry about my rolls, girl, because you know what I say, they for dinner. Okay, worry about yourself. I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Asteria hair. Shout out to you, Asteria, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. This unit is a 6x6 closure, and as you guys can see, it is a BodyWave unit, and it is like an ombre color. I'm basically gonna go ahead and style this unit on camera. I did like review it one day and then decided to restyle it, but I'll go into details about that in the outro. If you are interested in details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So this unit was sent to me by Asteria hair. Shout out to you, Asteria hair, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. I've been rocking with Asteria for a long time now, so shout out to you, Asteria. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you guys the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, and then we will get into how I feel about it. So let's start here. So it says hair. Highlight BodyWave 6x6 closure wig, 16 inches and 180% density. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the direct link because they've already sent me the information, and I'm gonna click on the link that they give me, so they gave me, so I can see like what it looks like on the site and stuff. Okay, so as they stated, I do have this unit in 16 inches. This unit does go from, it ranges from 10 inches to 30 inches. If you get it in 10 inches, it's $120. And if you get it in 30 inches, it's $365. Okay, so this unit that I am wearing is a 6x6 closure. This unit is available in 4x4 closure, 5x5 closure, and 13x4 wig as well, in case you want to, you know, get it in a different lace size. The hair texture that they have available is both straight and BodyWave, and I will have a picture of what it looks like on the site somewhere on the screen so you guys can see at some point. But I obviously do have the BodyWave one. And you can get this wig in small, medium, or large. And you can also add an adjustable band, like on top of the elastic band that comes in the wig, because obviously it does have the standard 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. You can also add in an elastic band if you want to. So that's the plus. So apparently the wig only comes in 180% density. It is a highlighted lace wig. It's Swiss lace and medium brown color. It comes with 3 combs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, as far as the details and stuff, whoo, that was easy. See, now you see how much it'd be a blessing when I have those specs and stuff on deck, you feel me? So anyways, as I say, this is a 6x6 closure wig. So literally the lace, this side, it stops right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I can't zoom in, Jai. I can't zoom in. I'm sorry, so sorry about it, but I think you can see it. And on this side, it stops right here. And that is it. You can still part this wig in a middle or right or left side part. I initially wore this wig some days ago, and I had it in a middle part when I initially did my video. And then I decided, honey, I ain't like it. I ain't like it in the middle part. Like, that wasn't the swag that I was feeling with this particular wig. But you do have that option. You can wear it side, left side, right side, or middle. You have that option, even though it's a closure wig. And as you guys can tell, like, I don't think anybody would notice that it's a closure wig. I also want to mention that I did tweeze the hairline, and I'm gonna let you guys like look at that. I did tweeze the hairline. Though whenever I did the initial video, and I think I have the clips, like I'll add it in or whatever. And I don't think I did the parting. No, I think the parting came as is, and I think the parting looks good. And as far as shedding and tangling, y'all, this wig doesn't tangle. Like, I actually like I said, I had already curled it and wore it, and that day it ended up raining, and girl, I was looking like a wet dog. I ended up having to put air in my tire because, honey, Reginald Shane Brown, honey, if you're watching this video, hurry up and get my tire, okay? But anyways, I think I got a nail or something in my tire, but I had to put some air in my tire, and child, I was out in the rain in this wig, and honestly, when I came home, I just kind of took it off, threw it to the side, and like, honey, yeah, whatever, I'll revisit that later. And today when I took it out, now I did get a few snags here and there where it was kind of balled up from the way I had put it in there. But as far as the wig in itself, it does not tangle. The hair is really, really soft hair, and honestly, I didn't apply any product to it initially when I wore it that day, so I knew it was gonna fall because the hair is super soft. So the texture is really, really soft. As far as it being big head friendly, y'all, I don't know if I have a small or a medium. I want to say I have a medium because I have worked with Asteria for so long. Let me just see, can I find it, child? Stop being lazy, girl. Okay, I found it. So this is a small. They actually asked me, they was like, you know, honey, you know, we see that you bald. You're bald, so do you want us to send you a small? And I was like, you know what, send me a small. And this small fits me perfectly. So if you have a small head, the small in the closure wig will fit you perfectly. Like, I can't attest for the other sizes. I can't attest for the 4x4 closures or the other, all of that. I can attest for that the 6x6 closure wig fits perfectly. They do have these wigs available in small, medium, and large, and it doesn't change the price. So that's a plus. So whatever size you think you wear, whatever size you normally wear, get that size, girl. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the construction of this wig. I don't know. Sometimes people be like, well, can you part it? Child, just like that part, look, that's what the part gonna look like over here. Like, why you want to mess up my hair, girl? This cause that's what I'm here for, right? Yeah. Okay. Can you see it? I know you see it. Anyways, I obviously have my Sephora Micro Smooth to make the parting, you know, more defined. But anyways, we'll get into that in the outro portion of this video. So if you are interested in how I feel about this wig, then please continue. Child, do I need to do a lint check? Let me do a lint check. I'm gonna do a lint check. Don't judge my overalls, girl. Worry about your own overalls, and don't worry about my rolls, girl, because you know what I say, they for dinner. Okay, worry about yourself. Okay. This is where the hair comes to me. This wig is literally 16 inches long. I hope y'all can see it, honey. I gotta get my light together with this new lens. This lens is meant for somebody that has like more room than I got. Somebody that ain't filming in their bedroom, child. But anyways, okay, now we can get into how I feel about this wig and all of that good stuff, as well as what I used on it. All that. So if you're interested, then please continue to watch. Okay, so honestly, y'all, I like this wig. Now, I want to say this about this wig. the other, it's a highlighted wig, and I am used to wigs that are this color. I am used to the hair, this hair being brown. Okay, so initially when I took this hair out of the packaging, I was like, ugh. And on the site I thought that it looked brown, and in actuality it doesn't. It looks this color, but I think that the gold looks a little different. And a lot of times they said that, you know, the wigs are hand dyed, and you know, they don't all come out the same color. But child, you know, honey, you must don't know my people, honey. My peoples will be mad if they get the wrong color. But yeah, this is what it looks like on me. Okay, and I'm gonna have the picture again or something like that, so you guys can see what it looks like on the site. But anyways, I thought it was going to be an issue because I don't like really dark hair with blonde hair. But girl, I like it. I don't know what it is about it. It's giving me throwback Keisha Cole, maybe. I don't know. What you think? Like, is that what it's serving you? With my overalls on, you know, like throwback Keisha Cole? I don't know, girl. I like it though. I like the contrast. I think it still looks good. I don't know how they did it, but I think it still looks good. Now, I do want to mention that the lace is brown, as they stated. I don't think you can get this lace in any other color. Now, to me, that's not a big issue because, honey, I ain't really worried about being clocked, okay? I don't care. Do I look like I care? I don't care, okay? But I do know that some people are worried about being clocked. And even with my Sephora Micro Smooth, it's still a, you know, smidgen too dark for me. And I'm not even really light. So if you're lighter than me, that may be a huge issue. But I just simply applied my Sephora Micro Smooth to it to cover it as best as I could, you know, to make it as close to my scalp color as I could. But like I said, girl, your girl ain't really worried about being clocked. I try to do the most for y'all for this camera, but in real life I don't care. I don't care. But I do want to mention that. Is there any other cons? I don't personally consider that a con, but I know it can be a con for some people. Yeah, I can't think of nothing. I like the wig. I think it is cute. I love how soft the hair is, and you know your girl stands a closure because, honey, you seen how fast I put this wig on? I put this wig on like that, and yeah, that's perfect for me in my life because I am constantly on the move, girl. I always got something going on. We got something going on right now. I'm feeling it. I think it's a look. As far as products that I used on it, I did curl it. I curl all my BodyWave wigs. It's just a thing with me. I always use my IGK Good Behavior Smoothing Spray. I didn't use a lot of this go around because I had already, like I said, curled it before, which was last week. I want to say actually like last Wednesday, and today is Tuesday, so almost a week ago. And yeah, and then I used a lot of my Freeze It Original Freeze Spray. This go around I used a lot of it, and the first go around I don't think I used it at all, maybe at the end after I had curled it. But the hair is really soft, so I just expect the curls to fall, so I wanted to use as much holding spray as I could because honestly I just expect the curls to fall because this hair is so soft. It is not as soft as it was due to all the freeze spray I done put on it, but honey, this hair is really soft. Some nice hair. I ain't gonna hold you, girl. It's some nice hair. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Oh, and my baby hairs, child, I don't know what I used. I want to say I add a clip, or y'all not really seen a clip, but I want to say I used my Lotta Body mousse and then probably sprayed some bed head on it to harden them. I didn't put nothing on this time. I just threw it back on. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Now, you already know, if you watch me, girl, that back is a mess. Don't judge me. I'll fix it before I go out the house. I probably won't, but just imagine that the back is fixed, okay? Just imagine that the back looks right, okay? Thank you. Thank you. Word from management. Okay, y'all, so if you're interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Have I said that? I feel like I've said that. If I didn't, I'm saying it again. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click that subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Health to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.